show which walls go together. Each of these are different. So there's 4 here, over here, there's 1, and they're different colors as well. That makes sure that you are putting it together correctly. Clip. Clip. And the last wall. Clip, clip. Now, on this, this is backwards. This says to doors. The other side says to windows. There. Now this hook that he's fastening, right. There's another one over on this side. You move the ladder and you can come around this way. This hook right here is going to go after that. Second roof panel. And the way we know that, clips are down here, and it's for B, and this is number 2. Clip, raise this up, bring that up there. Clip. Don't worry about that one. In there. This one shows number 1 at the bottom. And with our clips. Right there. It goes to the outside of the building. So we're going to let that down. Clip. Clip. This is a ridge cap. Go down. So you put the ridge cap, you do the first section of roof, come up. This is roof panel number 3. And another way you can tell the numbers go to the ridge. The stained side goes to the outside. Odd numbers on one side, even numbers on the other side. Now, the trick is, right here, so this is tight. That part of the roof, this frame goes underneath the corrugated, and this goes over the corrugated. It only overlaps by 1. So you get it in line, you lift this little edge, then you lift this little edge, and snap into place. Just like that. And again, clip, clip, and then there's 1 clip on the outside. That will be clipped from the outside. After we get the second piece, then another ridge cap will go on the same way. We're going to do that to the end. The end will go in the same way, they're smaller. And then the final is the ridge cap, and that part's done. These are the windows. Hand hold. Unclip. Unclip. Pull. Open it up. Pull this out. Lean it right at the edge of the wall and let it go. This swings around, goes in like that, and this little clip snaps like that, and that makes it solid. Do not plug this into anything yet. We come inside, once it's all set up, there's a switch right there. These go together just like this. There's one. There's two. And that's it for this one. Now you can plug this outlet, the outside, into an extension cord in the building, which is operated by that switch when you turn it.